Alright guys, so in the pan here we have 1 cup of cheddar cheese and 1/4 cup of butter. We're going to add to that 2 15-ounce cans of corn, just like that. We're going to add 1 can of creamed corn, and then in here we have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pepper. And then in here we have 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then in this one we've got 1/2 cup of sour cream that's going to go in here. We've got 6 slices of bacon that I already cooked in here. We're going to put most of that in and leave just enough to sprinkle across the top when we get it done. So probably about like that. Mix this up. This is probably going to take about 3 hours on the smoker. We're going to put it on there. We'll cover it at first, and then once it's been on a couple hours, we'll uncover it so it gets a little bit of smoke in it. Don't want it too smoky, just enough that you can taste it in there a bit. So anyway, we'll be back when we're ready to put this on the smoker. Alright guys, we've got our smoker heated up to 225 degrees. We're going to get our corn on the smoker. Like I say, we're going to leave it covered for a couple hours at 225, and then we'll come back and we're going to uncover it for about the last hour, half hour to an hour. We'll see how it's looking and get some smoke on it, so stick around. Alright guys, this has been on here about 2 hours, so I'm going to pop this tin foil off so that it can get a little bit of smoke, and also it's pretty thin, so I want it to boil down and thicken up a little bit, so we'll let it do that. Alright guys, our corn is done. The only thing we got left to do on it is we got this bacon set aside. Put that on the top. Put the camera and do it at the same time. Just like that. And of course, we got to try it. Let's get a spoonful of that with the bacon and everything on it. See how it is. It's good, guys. Hot. It's hot. That's a really good flavor, though. And that bacon with the cheddar, with the cream, with the smoke. It's money. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.